Welcome back, YouTube. This is Rich from Rich Micro Tooling Technology, and it's December 10th in the evening. Just got a call about a job, and I took some measurements on the phone, confirmed, and this is what we got. Hopefully you can see that. I'm looking in the... Yeah, you can. Okay. I'll go through when we do our dimensions, but it's going to be a tank vent. It's a press fit. I turned the slug down. I'm just getting ready to put the slug inside of the forejaw. Going to indicate it in. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put it in, load it in real quick, give you a little synopsis of what I'm doing, and then we're going to move on to the drilling. I opted to use my rotary table. I don't really get much use out of my rotary table, so I figured this is a good one. It's not a high-paying job. It's not a low-paying job. It's a job. I got the time. I'm going to take it. All right, I'll bring it back in a minute. So I loaded the slug in, and I indicated it in. So you probably can see that's a 0 there. It's coming around, not moving, not moving. Let me see if you're in the shot here. 0. Sorry guys, I don't do this often for the camera, so. And then we're going to come back around. And I got 0 again. Okay, so now I know that I'm on center. So, as you know, when you're centering on, let's say, a rotary table, you really want to make this edge here flat to the back. And then once you do that, what I do is I hard mounted this to my rotary table. So I put it on, I take it off, I'm always on center. I know I'm on center. And then all I had to do was put my part in, and I indicated the part. Okay, so I'm going to bring you back. Once I get everything all loaded, I'll get the drill chuck in, and we're going to do some holes. We're going to do 3 holes, 120 degrees, drill through with the number 70 drill. Okay, see you in a couple of minutes. Okay, well, this is what you do your setup. The numbers sounded good on the phone. So I did my sketch and I showed you that. Well, that 300 bolt circle is going to put it like right on the outside of this edge on the second diameter, the minor diameter. So I gave Mike Beck a call, and we're going to change that. It's not that critical. All it is to allow the tank to vent, or whatever tank it is. I don't know. I don't question these things. So we moved it in, and now it's going to go to 225 thousandths of bolt circle. Still with that 70 drill. Okay, so it's all indicated in. I loaded up the drill, and what I'm going to do is we're starting at 0. It'll go 0, 120, 240, and then back to 0. So what we're going to do is I'm going to color that up a little bit. Make it a little easier for you to see the hole. So we're just going to spot them first, and then we're going to check our repeatability. So since we have that option, that's what we're going to do. Okay, here we go. This is 0. Now we're going to go to 120. And then we're going to come around to 240. There's our 3 holes. 1, 2, and 3. And now we're going to go back to our 0, see if we've repeated. So I tend to always want to snug one up just to create a little drag on that. There we go. Okay. Now we're just going to drill down through. We're just going to peck. Now I asked if he wanted a nice chamfer around the tops of it, and he said Mike just told me, he said just break it, break the edge. He's good with that. So that's what you're going to get. Okay, there's one. Okay, I'll bring you back when I'm on the very last one, and we'll go from there. See you in a minute. Here we go. Last hole. Give the noise. I got to get a new belt. Just pecking through. At this point in time, you just don't want to blow your drill right here and now. Just want to go through, pack it out, clear your chips, a little lube, a little bit of liquid love. You'll feel it. You'll feel when it goes down, and you can feel when it starts to load up too. Even on this mill, even as cheap as it is, you still can feel that. Once that quill drops down in there, you can feel that spindle starting to drag out. Bring it out. Clean it off. Now I'm through. So I'm going to just make sure, clean it through. There we go. Okay. Watch your ears. Done. All I have to do is put a little bit of a countersink on these 2 holes, or 3 holes rather, 3 on top and the 3 from the bottom, and probably bring them back to Mike tomorrow on my way home from my day job. Okay? I'm just going to spin this around back to 0, and I want to thank you all for watching and subscribing and commenting. Please comment. I will always respond to my comments. It might be a little while, it might be a day or 2, but nonetheless, I will respond. If you like the video, hand me a thumbs up. I love it. Not a big channel, not one of the big dog YouTubers, but I think I've given you content that you may like to watch. All right. Well, thanks again, and you be safe. Just one more thing. Just maybe you'd want to see this complete. Came out nice. Rotary table from Grizzly. I ordered one. It was shit. Complete shit. I think I went over this on one of my other videos. This one is the good one. Repeatability. Yes. Looks fine. All right. You be safe, YouTubers.